Hello everyone, myself Amit Singh. Today I am going to discuss about importance of management education in different sector of business. As we all know that management education plays a crucial role in preparing professional leadership in various sector of Indian economy. So let's start with agricultural sector. Agricultural sector management education plays very vital role in agricultural sector to manage all the process in agribusiness like distribution of grains inside the country and deciding how much grains to be kept or store and how much to be export. All these things are managed and decided by the experienced manager in agricultural field or agribusiness field. Next one is manufacturing sector. Manufacturing sector management education plays huge roles in manufacturing sector. Manufacturing sector are the sector where products are produced for the business purpose. In this sectors, management decides that how much product should be produced and the quantity of raw material is required, and they also decides the product quality is good or not. Next one is financial sector. Financial sector management education is very necessary in financial sectors because without financial sector no other sector will run smoothly. That's why we can say that financial sector is the backbone of every sectors, because without funds no other sectors will work. That's why in this sector managers manages all the issues and queries about the finance, and they provide finance to funds to every sectors. Now next one is business and corporate sectors. Business and corporate sector management education is required in business and corporate sector because without management no business can survive in the market for a longer period of time, and the growth of the business is only depends on the management of the business. Now next one is information and technology sector. IT sectors management education is required in IT sector because we all know that huge amount of work are performed in the software which is managed by IT sectors. That's why we need the experienced manager by which we can tackle the problem before they create. Now next one is healthcare sector. Healthcare sectors management education is required in healthcare sector because many times patient dies because of bad management system of the hospitals and other institutions which provide medical cares. That's why every management system of the healthcare should ensure that every hospital and other institution which provide medical cares to the patients are giving best care. Now next one is tourism and hospitality sector. Tourism and hospitality sectors management of these sectors focuses on developing of the tourist places, vacation places, and the restaurant hotels where the peoples visited most. Now next one is educational sector. Educational sector management of educational sector focuses on providing good study nature to the students, practical labs, and the nature according to their subject, and the experienced teacher in every schools and colleges. Now next one is renewable energy sector. Renewable energy sectors. In this sector, management provides nature and facilities to the innovator for the innovation of the product, like the innovation of CRT monitor to LCD monitor, LCD monitor to LED monitor, and like desktop to laptop, etc. Now next one is real estate and construction sector. Real estate and construction sector. In this sector the management deals with the process of the construction of building, like the land is legal where the building is going to be constructed or not, and the other paperwork and rules are followed by the contractor while the construction of the building.